What's up guys, it's ADB and today we will see an old 4-axle flat car. Now we can see here, this is coupler, this is the air hose. Apparently this rail car is used to transport vehicles. Here we can see the date in which this rail car is decommissioned, or that means when this rail car went out of service. These are axles or axle arrangement. This is securing chain. This is a stamp for Yugoslav State Railroads or Jugoslavenske državne željeznice. Let's go to the other side. This pipe under this rail car is air supply for brakes. This is another part of this rail car. Here we can see Yugoslav Railroads 1913. That's a long time for this rail car. This is brake wheel. And this is the other end of this rail car. You can see also buffers, air hose, hook for coupling. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. For more info, go to ADB Railroader YouTube channel. I opet nisam